Ready? You got it. Here we go. 5, 6, 2 steps to your right. Go front, left, back. Step clap. Grapevine right. Step clap left. Grapevine and turn it. Heel, out, hip. Take it to your right. Start it over. Step clap. Grapevine. Step clap. Grapevine, turn it. Heel, out, hip. Step right. You got it. Step clap. Take it left. Grapevine turn. Heel, out, hip, step. Woo! Step clap. Grapevine. Step clap. Turn it. Heel, out, hip. Go right, then left. Step clap. Left. Turn it. Heel, out, hip. Go right, left. Step, clap, Go. Grapevine, heel, out, right. Step, clap. Left. Turn it, heel, out, hip. Go right. Remember, you don't have to clap. Step touch. Turn it. You don't have to jump if you don't want to. Start it over. Choose your venture. Step clap. Left. Turn it. Heel, out, hip, right. Left. Step claps.
When it's last call and they kick us out the door. It's getting kind of late, but the ladies want some more.
Out. Here's that tag. Step, touch. Start it over. Right. Left. You made it. Step, clap. Left. Heels. Start it over. Woo! If you're moving, you're doing it right. Heel. Step right. Just have fun. Heel. Woo! Fantastic job. Let's do it one more time.
My baby want a Birkin. She's been telling me all night long. Gasoline and groceries, the list goes on and on. This 9 to 5 ain't working. Why the hell do I work so hard? I can't worry about my problems. I can't take them when I'm gone. 1, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round, we need plenty more. 2 stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good Lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Daniels got a history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. I've been boozy since I left. I ain't changing for a check. Tell my mom I ain't forget. Woke up drunk at 10 a.m. We gon' do this shit again. Tell your girl to bring a friend. Oh Lord. 1, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round, we need plenty more. 2 stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good Lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Daniels got a history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. When it's last call and they kick us out the door. It's getting kinda late, but the ladies want some more. Oh my, Good Lord, tell them drink some. Cause I'ma pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Daniels got a history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Cause I'ma pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Daniels got a history. At the bottom of a bottle, don't miss me. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Kick me out the bar. Tell them bring another round, we need plenty more. Two-stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good Lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey.